Hello everyone, this is Davin Blake, CEO of Thread Designs. I am the brother of the famous reggae singer, Sevana. I'm a tailor, yes, and I do actually so. I grew up in Westmoreland. I'm from Savannah. Siggy Street is like close to Godfrey Stewart High School, close to Russia. I grew up with my great grandaunt and she normally sew and thing. So I normally take in clothes, take in my pants them, school pants them. As I start from, school pants them, come on them tight and thing when I go to school. So I start taking them pants there first. Then I start make pants. Learn how to cut pants, then I start make pants, then I start make shirt, then I start cut shirt. I self-taught, because I just my own style and my own thing, because as a creative, because I also do music and thing too, you know. So I just want different aspect of art. I never really plan it, honestly. I just love sewing, I love create overall. Create, as I say, I do music as well, I can draw and things, so I just see it as art. Sewing is like, either write a book or either watch a video or a music. It's basically art. So I just different twist and style to it, and I just want creative process overall. Yeah, I really am mind thing still. Because when we moved from Westmoreland come to Kingston, I did that do phone repairs and unlocking and things, just I'm still at the phone shop now. So I never really planned some of be this big in sewing. It just happen day by day. It just follow through and just wing it. I am Sevana's personal stylist, designer, and tailor. I've been working for her a decade now. I make majority of her clothes, yes. Over the years, I've been sewing and she sees some very neat and thing, and she kind of compare the other tailor them and thing and see say, I'm kind of more dedicated. I don't know if I show my sister. No, well, that's not the reason, but probably she think that way because we're related, so I kind of take more detail and time in our thing them, but I just a natural thing as some so overall. Sevana is my personal muse, and I kind of use she because iron shall me iron, I say it really go. So while me I make something for Sevana, me I learn also. And Sevana is a person who you have to get the thing correct, else it throw her off, and I like them little thing to stay on my toes and things. And yeah, she's my personal model for sure. Because when I make something for Sevana, I'm sure say it have to sell.
Yeah. My brother made this top. You know, the truth is, I always look good. Always look good.
It go hand in hand. I incorporate Sevana's ideas by asking her like, what is the theme of the event, or if she can wear certain things and the look what she a go for. Then I just think about it as I go through my regular day. I don't really bust my brain like maybe I ride my bike or I soar, I do something and it just pop up. I mean I say, you know, so I do that, then I do that, then I do that style. So it kind of does come to me. Like it's 50-50 because she have to really approve it. Because when I make something and she don't like it and she not go wear it. It's a great feeling to see my sister displaying my art worldwide, also displaying her art. So it's kind of it's a plus and it's an advantage. So I just capitalize on them little thing there and it worked. I just feel loved, you know. I honestly feel loved because I know she love me for true and she care about me and thing. And as I say, it's an advantage. It's an advantage. So I have to really give thanks, you know, and just be grateful. So my sister can just kind of pave the way. Yeah. Designing clothing for the females, it's challenging, but I love it because I like them things. I like challenge myself. So when I get something hard to make, it kind of work on myself. So it's kind of a learning process also. So I like them little thing there. And you have to neat. That I like with clothes because I'm actually neat and I realize that everybody neat. I like spend time on them thing there to make you say neat. If the customer don't really feel good, then I don't really feel good. You know, so I make two things for Lila though. I make two things for Lila, I make two things for Jazzelise, I make two things for Jake Ruben, that Sevana's photographer. It's gonna go international, you know. Yeah, it's gonna go international. I'm gonna say, I want it to go there because it's gonna go there. I see the signs I'm already and Yeah, it's gonna be international. I would love for my fans and anybody looking in, my supporters, well wishers, to know that I am a very reliable person. You can rely on me, all right? And I'm neat, flexible. We can negotiate a few terms if it comes to that. And I'm open to any suggestions. I'm willing to learn a few new things because I would love to can make wedding dresses. That's the aim. Wedding dresses is the aim. More client, the better. I would advise any upcoming artists, creatives to just be yourself and just be consistent and be diligent. I don't think they really stand out over time. People are gonna see you. In a really matter if it take 5 or 10 years. Eventually, the right people then will connect you and things will just happen. Yeah, thank you. I just want to thank everybody for support me this far and continue to buy Sevana music. The thing only go get better and neater. Thank you very much.